Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 8th of August 2018. Okay guys, we have a very good successful day with Forex trading and I'm going to start the discussion from Euro USD. So as you can see that I have supplied the bearish signal in case of Euro USD. The entry was 116100 and the target price was 115843. We have seen a very good massive downfall on the pair and it has went beyond the barriers of 115843. So those subscribers who have taken the sell positions as per the recommendations of 200 Forex pips, they must have taken a massive profit because it has went so many pips down. So that's a very good trade suggestion from our side. Okay, now let's talk about the New Zealand USD. Another satisfied signal of the day. I have supplied a clear bearish trend in case of New Zealand USD. 067462 was the bearish entry from my side and I was expecting the market to down up to 067332. And guys, you can see the downfall is here and you can see that it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price 067332. So now you can count the number of pips. 462 was the bearish entry and 332 is the target price. So this is the difference we have caught in the form of pips. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Another massive trade that is filled with a lot of pips today, and Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from my side. The entry was bearish from 129334. The level is already drawn on my chart and you can see we have a big drop on Great Britain Pound USD. I have set up the target price 129041 and guys, you can see that it has even break that barrier and it has went so many pips down. So if you have traded this one, then you must have taken a very good profit by trading this pair. Okay. I have just closed USD JPY and it's on the way towards this signal. So this is going to be closing session for me. USD JPY with a bullish signal from 111122, and if you look at here, then it has just break the 111122 area and that's the entry and the target price is 111290. So guys, this is the recommendation that I have sent the bullish signal to my subscribers, and if the market continues to go up, then it can reach out to 111290. So guys, this signal hasn't fully completed and if you want to trade this one, you can. Okay, now let's talk about AUG USD. Drop was provided in the morning with a clear bearish trend from 074198, and guys, you can see from 074198 we have seen a sound downward trend, and in the same hour we have hit the target price 073931. So that was a big gap. If you deduct 931 minus 198, you will come to know that that's a very big difference that I have provided in the form of pips. So if you have traded this one, then I am sure you must have taken a very good profit by trading this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the USD CHF. If you remember, then that 200 Forex pips has provided you with a bullish trend. On USD CHF, 099451 was the bullish entry and 099650 was the target price, which is just met in the same hour, and we have seen a very good sound upward trend on the pair. And if you look at here, we have hit the target price in the last hour, so this signal has expired, but overall still it's making an upward move. And if you look at here, then just above the oversold level, as per the trading system, we have received a buy signal from the scalper on USD CHF, and USD CHF has finally moved up. Okay, now I'm going to talk about USD Canadian dollar. Let me switch my chart. Okay, so guys, we are here. We have just hit the target price. A bullish trend was applied to the subscribers in the morning. 130719 was the bullish entry on USD Canadian dollar and the target price was 131022, and you can see that the candle is pumping up and we have just hit the target price 131022. So guys, this signal is expired from our side. So if you have traded the signals that I have just discussed, then you must have caught a very decent profit by trading the pairs. Okay, now let's talk about the drop that has appeared on Great Britain Pound JPY today. A drop was provided to the subscribers in the morning in the form of signals report, and you can see I have supplied the bearish entry from 143652 and 143080 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on Great Britain Pound JPY. So if you have traded this one, then you must have received a very good profit by trading the pair. At last, I'm going to talk about AUG JPY, and guys, a very simple trade from our side. I have supplied the bearish trend in case of this pair. 82442 was the bearish entry. The level is drawn on my chart. You can see the entry was triggered from here, and 822776 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have a big drop on AUG JPY. So we have satisfied our most of the signals, and those subscribers, I have too many old subscribers. They are very happy with the results. However, the subscribers who are just new to new to my service, they must come to know that why I say the caution in my signals, because in some days I feel that the market is not going to behave technically, but when I give my signals report, it is always based on the technical analysis. But however, I come to know that today the market will not behave technically. So what we do, we normally avoid trading on such days. But whenever we see the trading like this, then you can see that we have caught a very good number of pips. Even we can you can say that we can cover the profit of the full week within a few trades. So guys, that is called wise trading, and I just want you people to do trading exactly like this. Okay, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top right boundary with confirmations, and when the pair comes down, let me switch my chart to some other so that we can talk about the buy positions. Okay, now let's talk about the Great Britain pound USD. Now if you look at here, it went into the lower right boundary, and then after that we have received the upward momentum, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forextips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.